wedding I go longer than that. Huh? It I go longer than that. Yes. Me I'm bringing wedding I go longer than that. One way, say I go done. If you want to hurry up. Me I practice my march for walk down the aisle with bringing. Tell me when you ever done. Huh? Again. Tell me when you ever done. So if you walk. What ball? How much time back? Yeah. Speed it up, man. You take too long. Ah! Too long. Too long. Too long. Too long. We don't have that amount of time. So I hear about a wedding where I go down between me and Bringy at the International Women Award. That's where we are going to bust up everything, broke up everything, then think award are going. And an award are going. Me and Bringy are going to tie the knot. Them just don't know about it yet. We are mashed down everything. Yeah, we are mashed down everything. Go up in there. We are go up in there. Go married. Yes. Bring it. Me yes, I bring it at the Canada. He never want me to know. Me find out. Me find out. I fly high or fly low. We are go married. We are married. Yes. No more time in not going back to England without marrying Master Baker. It not go down, sir. It not gonna happen. Me I look for me. We don't want a maid of honor. We want helper of honor. Me I look for helper of honor. For stand up there with we. Yes. How can we not take advantage of when you have so much people in a one place at the same time? My auntie I got there. I wonder if she can officiate the wedding. Huh? I want her to officiate the wedding between me and Bringy. That's what I want to happen. Yes. We are married. Who don't like it, bite it. Ah. Me order my wedding dress already. Me order my wedding dress. Me order my bobby socks. Me order my gurgle. And me order one new Master Baker outfit. Nobody not go ready than me. One time me come out for married to my Bringy. Yes, me order my water boat. Yes, water boat. My water boat. Me I go bring my raincoat. Cause you never know what can happen. Rain, sun or shine. Bringy shall be mine. Yes, and that will happen at the Woman International Award. Them just don't know about it yet. Master Baker coming for bust down and break up everything. Yes! Yes! That's how it a go. So, it a go. When Bringy saw, when Bringy touch all this for the honeymoon night. Jesus Christ. Locks! Me kingdom on fire already. Yes! But, and me alone, I got there. I have a special guest. Where I attend our wedding. Yeah. I must be a kind. Not because I act so mean. Me kind too. Me kind. So I give you a something. To come at my reception after the ceremony. Yes. Me I give you a something. Yes. I mean I don't give you no credit from today. So who can make it can call in. Or I can call in and wish me and bring it good tidings of great joy. and peace be on earth. Uno can call in. All who cannot make it can call in and wish us good tidings of great joy. Yes. So, me I gonna give you some credits from today. Uno whole pound of credits. Don't use it till the day of the wedding. Uno call and wish me and my bringing good tidings of great joy. Alright. But me now just give you no. Master Baker no kindy so. Master Baker I go quiz no. So no get me credit for call me and my fiance bringing. Yes. Here what gonna happen. This is how we're gonna do it. Ha! Me gonna ask some question about wedding day. When they don't know yet. So we're gonna use the word Women's Award. Me gonna ask them a couple questions. Or not call me if you don't give me the right answer. Me give you some credits. See if the credits them. For call we. Either for our honeymoon or the ceremony. No! No, 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 no! Don't call we for our honeymoon. It will be weeping and mourning and gnashing of teeth. Don't call we for our honeymoon. Call we at the ceremony. Yes! At the ceremony! Call me and bring it. On a ox, my auntie, if she want officiate, me know she have a surprise. She have a surprise. She have a surprise. Ask her for me because I'm afraid to ask her. I'm afraid to ask her. I'm afraid to ask her. Because you know, our mouth, our mouth saucy. Me no want she tell me off. Wanna ask her for me no man? Please. Ask my auntie if she will officiate a wedding for me and bring it. Please, 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 I beg on a plate. Ask my auntie for it. Please, please, ask my auntie. Am I here? Ask my auntie. I don't want to see the dress. Me I gonna show her the dress when the dress come. My wedding dress. A nice, I say, a four-story dress. And it have a train on the back. Yes. Yes. And the water boot match the dress. Bring it, I go, when bring it, see me. When bring it, see me. I'm gonna pick out some flowers out of my garden. I'm decorate me ear with it for bring it. Bring it, oh God, we never know idea that come bring it when me that got married to you. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Me never did know idea that come. He come fast, he come fast. Oh God, me got married to bring it. Bring it, I know yet, but me got married to bring it. Me happy. Me know my ball. Me know my ball. Me know my ball. Ah. Alright. Wanna call me. Me have to ask you some questions. Can you just back up camera man? Me don't know where all up in my grill for. You got to book up in my nose. Why you come up so close with me to the camera for? You want to sit down in my tonsil and see parrot, my live down in my throat. Why you come up so close with the camera for? Me don't want to see tears. Me I cry if you bring it back up, man. Just back up! Back up! Just back up. Just back up. Yes. So, in number pin, I got top ball. I don't want to hurt my tonsils. I don't want me to hear them red for my wedding day. So I got top ball. Alright. I have a phone, yeah. I have a phone. I beg you 6 credits now. Come here say I want vanilla and chocolate. Then I come on, come give you credits later. I want to beat them to it. All them, me no want them at my wedding. Me no want them at my wedding. You hear me? Me no want them at my wedding. Me no want them at my wedding. Yeah. Me no want a friend, a BFF's business a go on up in there. Me no want that. Yeah. 10 of them yard. Huh? 10 of them yard. Yeah. One. So, don't call me with no foolishness. If you don't know an answer, don't call me. Master Baker no play with people. You understand? Don't waste my time. Me have to go rehearse for my wedding. You understand? Me not have no time for waste. So don't call me if you don't know the answer. Yeah. Yeah. Call me only if you know the answer. Yeah. Alright. So, we're going to talk about the award. But you don't know say I'm a wedding. You don't know say I'm a wedding. But we have to use code, we don't know. So, I want you to call me and tell me who gonna be the 2 hostess at the award. And I want you to tell me the name of the one with the mostest. The hostess with the mostest. Call me. You get some credits if your answer is right. Yeah. Or call me with foolishness. Me have short temper. Yeah. Are you afraid for call? Are you afraid for call Master Baker? Are you afraid for call Master Baker? Are you call me? Oh, I'm not afraid. Ha! I owe you. I owe you. I owe you. Hello, I owe you.
Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna will be one of the girls.
And who? Call me back. Me not have patience. Hello? Hello? Turn me down in that background. Me not like hear my voice.
Auntie Donna.
Oh, yeah, pick me. Oh, sorry. Sorry, pick me. Auntie Donna, oh. Oh, now listen to me. Turn me off in that background. Me love you, little Pitney. But you take too long. Hello? Hello? Hello, who you?
Diana.
Who are the hostess for the award?
Auntie Donna.
And who?
Kerry Lee.
And who are the hostess with the Moses?
Auntie Donna.
To the what?
World.
To the what? Who me I talk to?
To the flipping world.
To the flipping world. And who me I talk to?
Diana.
Alright, Diana, you get some credits. Text us with your name and your phone service.
Alright, Mama.
Alright. And I call me with me in my background, you hear me? On a don't call me. And I me hear myself in my background. On a not coming to the wedding. If I don't do that. Who is the most controversial somebody pan the flyers? Call me if you know a name. Call me. Hello.
Hello.
Who is this?
I'm Shani.
Shani.
Yeah.
Where you call me for?
The artist on the show is Auntie Donna and Kerry Lee.
Them gone already. Somebody take that already. Somebody take that already.
Next question.
Next question. Go back in and comment to your next question. Go back on the line. Help. phone service. All right. Here comes the da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Attention. We gotta practice. We have to practice. We have to practice. We have to practice. We have to practice. Attention. No. All right. More question. On the top bottom. Me done with the question. Is a new one right now. Is a new question now. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Who is the top performing artist that is gonna be at the award show? It's Master Baker's Kitchen. Master Baker's Kitchen. It's Master Baker's Kitchen. Master Baker's Kitchen. What? Hello. Who are what? Who are obedient? Who this me talk to? Hand to hand. They move you from hand to hand when you're a baby. Oh, you need some while. They put you in one hand and your ball to go in the next hand. You need while. They while you. Hand to hand. Ground to ground. Feel like a sister, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, yeah. Text me your name and your phone service. Alright. Hand to hand. Pile. On a piling. Pile. There. One more time. Me soon get it. Me close. Tap block the phone. Me then ask some more questions. Want to tap block the phone? Here comes the bride. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 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 Attention. All right. We get it. Get it. All right. Mister, it wasn't I got nice. All right, how much we got? 3. Me have 3 more figure. Cora. All right. What the name? I'm going to put my them where I'm going to be at the award ceremony. Me want the name. I'm going to put her in London where I'm going to be at the award ceremony and my wedding. Hey! Hello! Yeah. Why we put my name? Why we put my name? Chris and Kazim. Call Chris in next to him. Call the put my next to him.
You're mad.
Yeah, Majesty. Yes. What is your name?
Kanika.
Oh, you sound like somebody we call her win already.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. I know you. All right, I know you. Text me your name and your phone service.
Okay.
All right. It's Master Baker's Kitchen. What? Correct. Hoya.
evening.
I don't know if I evening up here or morning. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Master Baker.
Who you?
Alatoya.
That's how you call and win already. What you want?
It's a different one, Master Baker.
Are you different, Latoya?
Yes, Master Baker.
Oh, why answer?
Princess Bachelor.
Princess Bachelor or Bachelor? Or what? Huh?
Princess Bachelor. Bachelor.
Princess Bat what? Batwara? Huh?
Oh, what?
Batwara? Because you're getting name the first part right, Master Baker will give you credit. Text me your name.
Alright,
I your phone, sorry.
Alright, Master Baker.
Alright. Okay. Huh? Princess Wara? Princess what? Huh? How? You want easy one? Or what's one I forgot? Two more. Master Baker gonna like gee. I get tired of gee. Huh? What date? At the award. What is the date of the award? Hello? Why you call me a in my ears also? No wonder your phone cut off. A kin teeth, Master Baker, a kin teeth with people. Why don't I call and hang up? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
June the 25th.
Which June? Next year June or last year June?
This year, June.
Alright, this year June. Alright.
Yeah.
What your name?
Tashi.
Tashi.
Yeah.
Text me your name and your phone service.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
What you thank me for? Thank God, yeah. Thank God. I'm a tell. Come back on the phone. Yes. Alright. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Attention! Alright, Marie, my last question. And the last question. Tell me the name of two Jamaican women what up on the flyer that are gonna be awarded or awardees of the award, at the award. Two Jamaican women from the flyer. Hello. Hey, you said call me he no me as well. You laugh for me like say yeah, beat bring me behind the back. You laugh. Where you laugh for? Like you're my matey. You're my matey. Where you laugh so? What do you name?
Wait for you, Master Baker.
Yeah, where you wait? No come on my phone, come wait for me. Don't come on the phone, come wait for me. Who is? Yeah, go back to the live. You don't know the answer, go back to my live.
Auntie Donna.
Auntie Donna what? We know Auntie Donna, everybody know Auntie Donna. Hello. Yeah. Oh, you talk so nice. You think you're nice? You call my phone, you think you're nice. Who you?
My name is Kiza.
Kiza? What do you mean you suffer? Oh, you have the answer for me?
Lady Anna and Lady V.
Lady Anna and Lady V. You're right. Text me your name and your phone service. You're right. I got thank God. Me need to thump you by your hand. Thank God. Me need to thump you by your hand. Alright. And that's it. Me here said the BFF friend them. I come back later, come give them more credits. I wonder if a credits to go my way. Me here said I come back. But here one now. Master Baker have a gift. A giveaway. And the gift is come out of my Master Baker character. Thank you guys. Back to the one all chocolate she. The one all chocolate she. Come out of the Master Baker. Serious gift, guys. So, Vanilla and I, we have a room that we book at the Marriott on the day of the event. We only book that room so we can have a private bathroom. And we're giving up that room to someone at the event if you want to drink, enjoy the after party. At the end, when we're ready for leave, and you're the key, and you can spend the night in that room. Because we only book it for the bathroom purpose. Because we didn't know how many people would want to wait for the bathroom. So we booked that room for the bathroom. But we're willing to give up that room to a lucky supporter who wants to spend the night. It's good for 2 people. And this is how it's going to work. It's going to work. If you purchase your ticket between today and the 1st, send us a screenshot in WhatsApp of your receipt and we enter you into the drawing. We put you in the bag like we did for the pre-Mother's Day thing. Shake it up, and whomever we pick from that bag, you will be the winner and be awarded that room for the night at the Marriott, courtesy of Vanilla and myself. We figure we'll do that instead of just have it be wasted because we're going to go back to the hotel that we're staying at. All right? So we just want to bless somebody and have them enjoy their night. Don't have to worry about how much they drink. They'll be at the Marriott. All right? So we are going to give you from now to the 1st. And we're also, should I say that? Should I say it, Vanilla? Should I? Oh, we're also donating favors to the awards, courtesy of Vanilla and myself. We want to give back. So yes, that's what we're doing. Doing in support of this great event and organization and what it's about. We're doing our part. We don't care about the noise out there. We're not about that. We're here to support something that's good. We have to look at the big picture and look at everybody that's out there, and that's what we're doing. And moving forward, we want to know how we can contribute to this great organization to make it better. Yes, because there's always room for improvement in anything that you're doing. And as a person too, each and every day we grow, each and every day we learn. And that's what I'm here to say. So thank you for joining me for Master Baker. Big up on yourself. Love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yes, Vanilla and I will be back on later on to bless you all with some more credits. It's gonna be Bible quiz. All right, love you guys. One more time. I'm back in my character. Bring it. I can't wait to see you bring it. One more time, Arias. One more time for bringing it. Give down. Attention. I want them more boss. No more boss. I want them more boss up in it. Let go any dove or boss up in it. Them boss up shot. No, me not think so. No, boss up. No. Alright, then go. I'm boss up. But if I even want water gun and spray like a water, I want to bring it. I agree with that. Ooh. Spray water. Spray water. Yeah, I'm cool with them before the honeymoon. Yes. Big up on yourself. Let me shout out some people. Yes, big up on yourself. Althea, Jackie Grouse, Michelle Rogers, big up yourself. Mind me mad, Mackie me mad already. Patricia, McPherson, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Jesus, if I fly. Kathleen Bob, big up yourself, big up on yourself. Lataya, big up on yourself. Big up on herself, big up on herself, big up on herself. Yolanda Lee, big up yourself. Yvette, big up yourself. Force that pass me fast. Ever bless Nikki. Me love you back, girl. Right back to you. Right back to you. Venice, big up yourself. Jennifer Gooden, blessings queen. Marnetta, big up yourself. Cheryl Carr, big up yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Donna Gowie, big up yourself. You almost tricked me. I make me think say Donna Go. Now I'm excited about my auntie. Yo, what? Audrey Brooks, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Navlet, big up yourself. Karen Henry, big up yourself. Tracy Ann Weller, big up yourself. Trending Drama, big up yourself. Enough love, my brother. Blessing all the time. Audrey Brooks, me said that. Jolette Davis, big up yourself. Jolette, big up on yourself. Margot, big up yourself. Juliana, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Fly people. Patsy, big up yourself. British book, big up yourself. Rogers, big up yourself. Malia, big up yourself. Sharon Chambers, big up yourself. Malia, big up yourself. Love on you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it. Bless upon yourself. See you back later. Yeah? Love on you.